I want to become Python developer in 2020-24. So you want to know the what step you need to follow. Also you want to know the why Python is most important language in 2020-24. Go to the video. First, why Python? Because it is mostly popular programming language in the world in 2020-24. It used in wide variety of industries like web development and also artificial intelligence and many more. And also it is very easy to learn. And also Python developers are high demands today. So first, why Python? Because it is the most popular language in the world. Bro, so who the exactly Python developer? Bro, hello, Python developer build a software application, also work in data and often build a website or even automated tasks, bro. So you can specialize in many areas like data science and machine learning and web development or automation. Is a more flexible and you can specialize Python in many more areas like data science and artificial intelligence and web development and also the automations. Now we are going to talk about the how you can become a Python developer. So there have three steps. So step number one is have a lot of resources available in online courses and tutorials. You can even learn Python in YouTube. Go to step number two. Build the portfolio and hands-on the project will help you to stand out to the employers. So let's go to step number three. Get the experience in the internship and also do some freelancing. And also you can contribute to the open source project. And real world experience is good for you. You will get a lot of experience. So that's the three steps you need to follow to become a Python developer. What skills you need to become a Python developer? So first, you need a strong programming skill for writer efficiency and clean code. Also need to have a problem solving skill and also the communication skill. Communication skill being explained to your code to others. So that's why we need communication skills. Start your Python journey. So now is the time. Don't be late and please subscribe my channel and like the video. And comment down below if you guys get anything from this video. So see you guys in the next video.